Brussels is set to reduce an additional 300 million doses of the coronavirus AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccines that they have secured are potential options under existing contracts. The European Commission is expected to reduce the dosage after deciding to withdraw from the two attacks in recent weeks. Brussels is furious that Anglo-Swedish giant AstraZeneca has not provided enough doses of drugs produced by Oxford to member states. And it has now been decided that it will only buy COVID-19 vaccines that use mRNA technology, such as Pfizer and Modern. So far, the EU has agreed to buy 400 million doses of US-made J&J and another 400 million doses of AstraZeneca jab. But it has decided that it will only take 200 million of the American COVID vaccine and 300 million of the Oxford alternative from of its current orders. The European Commission, AstraZeneca and J&J declined to comment on the issue. EU governments remain under pressure to ramp up their vaccination rates amid a devastating third wave of infections. But some insist on restricting the use of the AstraZeneca and J&J vaccines over fears they cause blood clots. The European Medicines Agency listed the side effect as very rare, and insisted the benefits of receiving the jabs outweigh the risks of it. Both firms have announced delays this year to their shipments to member states because of production hiccups. Instead, the Commission is expected to open talks to buy a further 1.8 million Pfizer-made vaccines over the coming years. It wants to use the German-designed jab for all future Brussels-led boost programs to curb the spread of the coronavirus. Commission President Ursula von der Leyen said this was because Pfizer had proven to be a reliable partner. The German said, "To prepare for the future, we are drawing the lessons from the first phase of our answer to the pandemic. It is clear that to defeat the virus decisively, we will need to be prepared for the following. At a certain point in time, we might need booster jabs to reinforce and prolong immunity. And if escape variants occur, we will need to develop vaccines that are adapted to new variants, and we will need them early and in sufficient quantities. Having this in mind, we need to focus on technologies that have proven their worth. mRNA vaccines are a clear case in point.